Welcome to eBuyer. Today, I want to show you how I use Kingston's workflow station and readers in my role as a photographer at eBuyer. As a content creator, it's always a challenge to manage files when switching between storage devices. Not anymore. It's an easy-to-use system for transferring files, including photos and videos from multiple sources, perfect for me to use in the studio or when I'm on location. The workflow station speeds up post-production, and I can take the readers with me whenever I go on location. I can use the miniHub to quickly transfer files to my laptop, and with USB 3.2 speeds, I spend less time transferring files and doing more of what I love, taking photos and making videos. It's easy to use. I can connect the miniHub via USB Type-C, and it also has 2 SD card slots on the top. Like me, you can configure the hub to suit your needs. With its lightning-fast transfer speeds, you can use the workflow station dock to transfer to and from multiple media sources instantly. All you do is connect the miniHub to the dock, hook up your storage media, and you can transfer your work ready for editing. You can discover the Kingston's Workflow Station dock at eBuyer by visiting our website or clicking the link in the description below.